Sorry, mate.
The little one was.
Let's have your tickets then, lads. Thank you.
Do it, Martin.
Go on, squeeze. Squeeze on there. Looks quiet, there you go. You wanna re-click yours? 2 hands.
Oh, sorry.
And that's it, and release. There you go, mate.
Thank you. I did it by myself.
By yourself? Professional.
I like the time. That's shame.
That's go anyway. Off the line.
Turn it into a level national, why don't you? Yeah. Yeah. Go on to tell, the president's hot show, President down there, over.
Hello.
Send signal up. That's flashing white lights ahead. That means go.
Right.
You just done that.
I just spoke to the signalman in the signal box to do that.
Did you do that? Clever. Professional, aren't you? Oh, you made you jump, didn't it? Yeah. Sorry? Yeah. Yeah. Great. This is an antique as well. Tell me going to be old,
Don't know, as soon as possible. I'm not 100% sure. Right. So, yeah. There's the big draw now.
The second time.
Stop away with this job.
Martin. Oh, when did they have the lights on?
Oh, in the middle.
Which light side fire?
100 yards back.
Boys?
I didn't actually notice, Dave.
You have to go back to the windows. I can't get you.
I've heard the bombing of the 6 went up in smoke again and they've replaced the
No
moped again.
fighting. We'll get the river in the background. Yeah. I'll take one of Isaac then, yeah? It's Ben, that's alright. Oh, there you go. There you go, all better now. Let's sit up then. Do a proper face. Sit up, Luke, I can't get you in. But Luke,
Let's go back now. Let's go back now.
Let's go now.
Swap. You're going to swap though.
We're not, are we? Yeah, Mike.
The bridge you open much.
Yeah, at high tide, the council people deal with the bridge.
Right.
There's one guy from our side and one guy from the council that people.
I know, we
Right.
And the bloke who was responsible from our side was responsible for the signal who I speak to on my radio.
Yeah.
And the council boys deal with ship to shore
Right.
communication. Right, Martin, you've seen that. Thanks for today, mate. This is us signing off for now. As soon as we drop off the circle, you can enjoy the rest of the afternoon. Thank you very much. Go on to Tower Out. I'll meander around there with a bike, don't worry about it. Out.
There's another sled. No, it's not. It's the oil tank where we get off. There's the other sled thing.
What's that was there? That's what they were taking up there to Preston. So they're popping two, bringing them back full. There are a couple of cripples there. Yeah.
All done. Never mind. We've stopped. We're going to stop now. We're back home. We're back home.
Is that good?
Yes.